Hi guys, and welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel. And in today's video, what I want to share with you is how you can grow your money using stock trading. Okay, so if you don't know what stock trading is, it's basically buying stocks at a low price and then selling it for higher. And that's ultimately what I have been doing for the past several months now. I am very new to stock trading, so I'm a complete newbie. But basically, how I learned to do this is through Jeff's course. Okay, and Jeff's course was only about £20 from Udemy, and I literally went through that course. I studied everything that he was teaching. It's a very simple, he just teaches basically a very simple one technique that you do, and it just works every single time. I'm going to share with you my account. So this is my account on Etoro, as you can see. Okay, and if you want to sign up to a free Etoro account, just click the link in the description. All the links I'm going to put below, Jeff's course, everything. So as you can see, this is my feed here. Okay, now my feed are all of my different, as you can see, I'm going to refresh the page so you know that I'm not lying. But my feed is where all of my trades are. Okay, and the great thing about eToro, guys, is that you can actually copy people, like copy experts on here, people that are more advanced, and you can copy them. I personally have not copied anyone. Literally, I took Jeff's course because I don't like copying someone that I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I want to actually learn the skill itself. And that's exactly what I did. I learned from Jeff. Okay, so this is my feed. I'm going to scroll all the way down so you can see my first transactions. So I started off with a play account, which is a demo account. It's kind of like fake money. And highly recommend, if you're first getting started with trading, you want to start off with a demo account, okay? Just so that you get used to it, and you learn, and then from there you can start your real account, okay? So as you can see, so I just closed a trade. This was 3 months ago. So that was nearly a 2% profit, 1.99%. This one was a 1.21% profit. This one was a 0.77%. Over here was a 2.56%. That was on the 28th. On the 28th again, it was a 1.98%. On the 29th was a 1.21%. So as you can see, these trades, I'm getting consistent gains. Okay, like, have you seen any losses from, like, it's just consistent gain after gain after gain. As you can see on the 31st, 0.78%. On the 5th, 1.10%. On the 11th, 1.01%. So you're getting the message, right? You're getting the point. As you can see, these are consistent gains that I'm getting from Jeff's course. Literally, that is all I did. I just followed Jeff's method and strategy, and I've been implementing it and doing it. Now, this is not going to make you a millionaire, okay? If I've got 100,000 in the bank, and not in the bank, sorry. If I've got 100,000 trading money, okay, in my account, and I get a 1% on that, obviously that's going to be a lot of money, okay? But I haven't got 100,000. This is only a couple of hundred, okay? So, but this is a really good way to grow your money, okay? So instead of saving it, you could be putting it in here, buying and selling stock, okay? And as you can see, this is a pretty consistent strategy. Like, it's not like I'm getting losses and then getting wins. I'm getting more wins and losses. You can see here 1.16, 0.73. My portfolio is up 2.74 in the past day. This is a position that I bought from Amazon. No, I won't be using. Sorry, I'm getting confused. Yeah, my portfolio is up 3.5 in the past day. So basically, you can see that this is a really consistent strategy, okay? And that's why I highly recommend to get Jeff's course. And it's a good course if you really want to start making money with stock trading. This isn't like a long-term buy and hold strategy. This is like, it's kind of in between long-term and short-term, because you're not it's not like day trading. It's more like holding onto it for a couple of days or even up to a couple of months, okay, depending on where the trade and where the stock is at, okay. But it could take you a couple of months to hold on to a stock. But the whole idea is not holding on to it, is to basically buy it and sell it for quick profits, okay. And that's exactly what I'm doing, as you can see here, okay. So I hope you found this video valuable. I highly suggest that you check out Jeff's course and also get signed up in the link below this video to Etoro as well. Get signed up to Etoro, okay. And if you want to test other people's strategies out too, like I said, there's a copy people option here where you can actually copy people and see what they're doing, okay. You can see their portfolio and how good of a results they're getting, and then you can just follow them, okay. But as you can see, guys, this strategy, Jeff's strategy, really does work. It's called the mean reversion, or yeah, the mean reversion strategy. Okay, so check it out. Click. I can't even talk today. Click the links in the description below this video. Get signed up to eToro. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in more videos. Take care.